Welcome to our online classes, and today we'll be learning how to draw root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 on a number line. So for this I'm using a simulation called MathPad. You can draw a line as long as your skill and put some arrow on it. Now I'm using 2 centimeter as 1 unit so that I can actually make it a little bigger for you. You can do it on 1 centimeter as well. Okay. So after marking the point, we have -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3, so that it looks like a real number line. Okay, now from 0 to 1, take that thing as 1 unit. Okay, so if you can see, we have, okay, so from 0 to 1 you take 1 unit, exactly like 0 to 1. You can use the scale, and from here you draw the hypotenuse. Now if you understand the concept, in a right angle triangle, we have, using the Pythagoras theorem, we have c equal to square root of a square plus b square. In our case, your a is 1 and b is 1, so we have square root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is root 2. So this particular hypotenuse is the root 2. So you can take the compass, keep it like this, and you can draw an arc if they ask you to draw root 2. Now in this case I'm actually making a small arc because generally they don't ask root 2 to draw in the exam. So yes, now use the same 1 unit as we used, and keeping the right angle triangle, you draw one more triangle like this, and in this case we have the new hypotenuse as root 3. Okay, now again you can use the compass, keep it like this. Okay, and generally they ask you root 3, so you can draw like this. Okay, now you can mark root 2 and root 3 on the number line. This will be helpful in order to draw root 5 and root 7. Now you can draw root 5 using two different ideas. You can have root square root of root 3 square or root 2 square. Okay, or you can also take square root of 2 square plus 1 square, so that would be root 5. So I'm using the second method, which is easier. Now keeping 1 unit from 2 on the vertical side, you can draw, yeah, you can draw an hypotenuse like this from 0. This hypotenuse is your root 5. Okay, and now you can keep the compass on the top of the hypotenuse and you can draw the line arc on the number line. So this part is your root 5. Okay, there's a high chance they will ask you this. Okay, in order to make it a little difficult for exam, they will ask you root 7. So for root 7 you can go 2 square plus square root of root 3 square, which is basically root 7. So for that case I'm actually erasing a lot of stuff. Now here I'm actually taking a long line on the root 3 point and keeping the 2 like this. I'm using the compass to make a mark of 2 unit on the vertical line. You can do that too, or you can directly use the scale. Now this hypotenuse is your root 7. Now you can make an arc, and this is your root 7. Okay, and that's it for the day. In the next lesson you will understand how to draw root of 9.3 on a number line and the concept behind it. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.